Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Let's get started. Before starting the video, I would like to say I'm not against the electric cars in India, but just trying to understand the usability of it. And will not be talking more on the specifications of each car. Now that's been said. So let's start the video with the models which will be released in this year. All the electric cars which will be launched in coming months, every car needs to be charged at some point, maybe after 200 kilometers or 300 kilometers, just considering the cars from the starting price. Now, let's say an example, if you plan to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, which is around 600 kilometers approximately, where the car needs to get charged in between, which means we need to charge the car at least once during our journey, just to be on realistic. What happens if the charging point is already been used by someone else? I also agree that we often stop in between our journeys to fulfill or to have some food or something, but not with this. We need to find a food for our car itself. Before it takes like 15 or 20 minutes to get the full tank in our car, but to get it charged it will take at least 45 minutes to 1 hour, and I'm not against it. All that I'm saying is, do we have enough resource or infrastructure already available? So for this we would need to have good resource in terms of infra, where the charging points needs to be developed before the electric cars comes on the road. On the other hand, what happens to the cars which are already on the go? Cities like Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi are already facing issues with the traffic, which is a universal fact. Where will be the space to accumulate the electric cars? Tesla already started booking from the beginning of the year, and it will be delivered by the March of this year. That's what been said. But is the infra ready to charge the Tesla cars? So that's all, guys. Wanted to give some background on what I was thinking about the launch of electric cars in India, and I'm not against the electric cars in India, but just a few thoughts about it. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video.